Anyway, today Erdi and I are talking about NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Erdi, can you tell us a little bit about what that means? NLP.
NLP is a kind of discipline, that programming our brain and gives us understanding what's our words and our thoughts. What are our words and our thoughts? So, would you like I read?
Sure. Well, you know what? Maybe we can let people. Well, first, I want to say thank you for writing this. I know you're very knowledgeable. You're very knowledgeable, and you decided to write about it yourself instead of finding an article or a video, which is fantastic. It's a great
thank you very much.
Opportunity to really apply your English.
Oh, thank you very much. But I wouldn't say that this article I wrote it with ease. It was a little bit complicated, but I am happy that I've done it.
Good.
Because it is a kind of new experience, my experience with learning.
And today, I don't think we need to read. I mean, maybe a little bit. You are the expert. So maybe I will just ask you a few questions. One thing that you said is that NLP is divided into two categories. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, of course. Because two categories, negative and positive. NLP, if we consider NLP as programming, as code, it has different effect. Can I so?
Yes.
So what effects we can choose? Negative and positive. There is no middle, I think. So there is negative thoughts and words that give us bad feeling, bad state, and frozen life and frozen memory, and our brain is frustrated and getting so it's such kind of thoughts that makes us feel sad, as I am stupid, I have no talent, bad memory, etc. So everyone knows that, almost everyone, that such thoughts makes us little sad, and if we start to study learning English, everyone is doubt about their opportunity and possibilities.
Right. You know, it reminds me of earlier we talked about the fixed mindset. So it's kind of similar to the fixed mindset to say, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, and not seeing opportunities to change and grow. Yeah. Well, let's talk about the positive phrases or encouraging sentences that we can reprogram our mind with.
Yeah. First of all, we should understand that just only using one per day, one phrase per day, it is not enough.
Okay.
We should to set myself to force ourselves to use it for a day.
Okay.
From morning to night, and even when we are sleeping.
Wow. How do you
Yeah.
do that? How?
I don't know.
That's good. That's good. And I
So
see you wrote here, it must be a flurry, real rain
yeah,
and heavy, real heavy rain, like cats and dogs with thunder and lightning. So much positivity,
yeah,
um,
yeah, yeah. Mhm,
encouraging words and joyful emotions.
mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because if we dip it uh, into a sea of positivity,
Yes.
into a sea of positivity, we have no giving chances for negative
I
to
see.
grow up. To
I
grow up,
see that. Yeah.
yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
We mm, uh, uh, how to say uh, we destroy positivity or negativity,
Yeah,
opposite
kind of
negativity,
like a garden, and if
like a
you
garden.
pull the
Right?
weeds, then the plants you want to grow will
Yeah,
flourish.
yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah. Mhm.
yeah, yeah.
Totally, mhm, absolutely.
Oh, here you said immerse yourself in a sea of positive thoughts.
Mhm,
Yeah. Well, I think that that is, in a way, that's what I'm trying to do with my with the lessons that I teach. When I teach English, I don't teach grammar or
mhm,
words or phrases or vocabulary. I just try to find inspiring messages in English,
mhm.
articles or videos, so that two things are happening. You're being inspired with positive thoughts, and you're using English in a positive way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
our brain, when we are talking mm, in a language of new language, what we are learning, and of course it's kind of that.
Yeah, it's like walking in the darkness.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Walking in the
It,
darkness.
it could be an adventure and it could be a disaster. Oh, well, that's great. So I like what you put here. Go to bed with gratitude that the day gave you more knowledge and more pleasant communication. And I think that's earlier you said about sleeping, with positive thoughts, and going to bed with gratitude sounds like a
Yeah,
good
yeah, yeah.
start.
Mhm. Well, if we go to the bed with bad thoughts
Mhm,
and with negativity,
mhm,
we wake up with not good mood.
mhm,
Uh,
mhm.
it will be boring morning. It will be
Negative.
frustrating. Why? It negative. Why I woke up? What will do? I don't know how to make it. But
Right.
when we going to bed with positivity, and it's rather we will see um, good, um,
Mm.
wonderful dreams.
Yeah.
And
There's
so, yeah, yeah.
yeah. So I think
After that,
what I've learned from you today is that our thoughts are building on each other, and we can
yeah, yeah,
build
yeah,
negativity
yeah.
or we can
Mhm.
build positivity, and we have that choice.
That's true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for reminding me of how important it is to have positive thoughts about things and positive
I'm happy.
in our brains. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's great. I hope this is going to be helpful for other people that watch it. And if you have any other questions about NLP, you can contact Erdi.